Hey, this is Jacob with Think Loud. So one of the main pain points for customers is just having an assistant or a chatbot that can provide quick responses to their clients. Nowadays, it's just everything AI based, which is not really convenient because they can hallucinate or you can spend a lot of money just on API tokens. Ultimately, what you need is just a deterministic type of menu or rule based response chatbot, right? So we do have this chatbot implementation working on AppScript, which is pretty great because it's lightweight and cost effective. If you're a consumer Gmail user or even a workspace client, then you have even higher limits. You can have 20,000 URL fetch, meaning you can call the API through Chatwoot 20,000 times a day. And that's pretty high for small businesses or even medium sized businesses just trying to get quick responses out there for customers. So, just a pretty quick demo. Hello there. And this is our own website and the chatbot implementation. So, we do have the greeting message at the top along with the menu, and we can see just the options. First one's just about our services, so that gives a quick response, what we do, what we provide. And if you type menu, you can get again the menu options, and we can see just a structure data response here at the bottom. This is going to change ultimately, but you can see how that works. And that is some of our articles that we've got. So that's going to take you to some of the business tools we recommend using instead of SaaS applications that can become quite expensive in terms of licensing. Um, right. So that's our implementation of the chatbot Chatwoot. Here you can see how that's connected. So that's just the app script uh, a webhook endpoint connected. So it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. You just need to follow the Chatwood's documentation to implement it. If you're interested, of course, reach out and we can talk about deploying this for your company. This is going to give you great insight for how clients are interacting with your uh, agents or with your website, and then handing off this to your customer service reps if you have anyone assisting, or if you're just you assisting clients, right? So it's going to collect the data and then hand this off to you with all the pre-configured templates and questions that you have. So if you take a look at, let's take a look at inboxes and agents. So we have agents and we can see those there. These are the team's inboxes. And then if we take a look at the website, this is working for the live widget website only at the moment. And we'll port this over to the rest of channels and services. So here's the bot. All you need to do is just select that, the chatbot, update it. And once you have that ready, then you can go to reports, take a look at the chatbot activity. You can see it's already handled 42 conversations, total of responses, resolution rate, and then handoff rate. So going back, we can see those are the responses. But if we do want to talk to somebody and they've already uh, gotten some of the responses you have already specified in your chatbot, then they can type the word agent as indicated above or at the beginning. As soon as you have the client type that, then this is just going to hand off the conversation to somebody. So going back to Chatwoot, we do see that that has been handed off and that's in our inbox already. And then you can just create more complex workflows using Chatwoot's automations, which is great. This is just a great way of handing over any type of conversations that the chatbot's no longer able to provide assistance with. So you have this here, and now it's just a matter of taking care of the rest of the conversation, closing that deal, or assisting that client, providing a great experience for them. So that's it. Feel free to reach out and later. See you later.